What to do in space. We are here to talk about the impact that the Apollo missions to the moon have had on the software and hardware architecture of the next generations of human spaceflight. Like the things that you see in SpaceX, for example. The Apollo program was the third human space flight program. Think about Mercury as well. That was conducted by the United States of America. Its goal was to land the first humans on the moon and return them safely to Earth. We know it worked. The first mission was launched on July 16th of 1969, and all 6 Apollo missions were successful. The Apollo missions have had a significant impact on the software and hardware architecture of the next generations of human spaceflight. The technology developed for the Apollo missions made space exploration more accessible and efficient than ever before. Fact, was there really something before? The Apollo Guidance Computer, AGC, was a major advance in computer technology and making its debut in the Apollo missions. It was always the first system to have fully integrated onboard software, allowing a spacecraft to operate with minimal human control and perform autonomous operations. I've got the guidance in here on the list that you guys can check. In order to control its operations, the AGC used a combination of open loop and closed loop control systems. These systems were enabled the spacecraft to have better accuracy in the navigations, allowing astronauts to calculate and plan routes as desired. The introduction of this computer technology also improved the accuracy of communication between mission control and the astronauts, and of course, the astronauts themselves. The same computer technology is being used in modern-day spaceflight, allowing more efficient operations without requiring significant manual intervention from the astronauts. The systems allow for the storage of large amounts of data which can be accessed remotely, and for increased precision when navigating in deep space. In addition to the advances in computer technology, the Apollo missions also resulted in various improvements in hardware architecture. One example is the development of a more robust thermal control systems that are able to withstand extreme temperature swings while in orbit. In this case, moving from LEO to Earth or in reverse. This is essentially for keeping the astronauts safer and increasing the operation efficiency, especially when traveling through deep space. Post the completion of the Space Shuttle program, many years ahead, there have been numerous advancements in spacecraft design and methods of propulsion. This allowed for a longer duration of space missions and safe trips more than before, while also having to